my channel. Okay, so for today's new video, we're going to be learning a TikTok dance that I choreographed. But before we get into today's video, if you guys happen to like today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. So before we get into today's video, I'm going to show you guys a demonstration of the dance and then we'll break it down. Okay, without further ado, let's get dancing. All right, so you're going to start with your left hand, your palm is facing up, and your right hand, your palm is facing down. So it looks like this. This is how it starts, and you're going to flip your hands. So you're going to go flip, flip. So left hand, palm is facing up, right hand, palm is facing down, and we flip 1, 2. So trying that again, we start here, ready, and 1, 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to step right, left. So as you flip your hands to the right, to the left, you're going to step right, left. And you can also move your hips as well, so stepping right, left. That's optional. So your hands go to the right, to the left. So let's try it with the footwork. Ready, and right, left. Let's do it with the counts. Ready, and 1, 2. Good. Next part. So it says, I can see. So at that part, you're going to have your right foot in front, and you're going to imagine you're looking at someone, and your right hand is going to be on the top of your forehead, so you're looking off to your right, looking for that person, or you can see them. So from the top, we go, I can see. So you're looking to your right. Again, your right hand is at the top of your forehead, and you're going to have your left hand just resting, or you can have it by your hip. So again, going from the top, ready, and 1, 2, 3. One more time. Get yourself ready. Ready, and 1, 2, 3. From here, your right hand is going to slide across your chest, and it's going to go to your left. So your right hand is going across your chest to your left, and so your left hand is going to slide across at the same time, and it's going to go to your right. So your left hand is going to be kind of by your stomach area, and it's going to slide to your right. And your right hand is sliding to your left. So both of them at the same time looks like this. We slide across. Right hand's on top, left hand's on bottom, and they slide across. So going from the C, you're going to bring it across. We slide. So as you do that, your chest is going to come in. And your right foot is still in front, and it's going to bring, your chest is going to come in. So now from here, you're going to switch your hands, and this part you're going to do it twice. So you're going to switch your hands. Now your left hand's on top, your right hand's on the bottom. We slide and switch. One more time, slide. So going from where you look, slide, we switch, switch. Again, we look, slide, and switch, switch. So in total, you do it 3 times, but you only switch twice. So another thing, after you slide the first time, you do the slide, right hand's on top, left hand's on bottom, your feet are going to step right, left. So as you switch your hands, you're going to go right, left. So let's go from where we look off to the distance to our right, we slide. Now you're going to use your feet. Right, left. Again, same part. We're looking and slide, step. Right, left. Good. Okay, whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, hold on. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Both feet are going to come out, and your hands are going to come out at the same time. And your hands are going to be in fists. They're going to come out. But as they come down, you're going to do a circular motion. They're going to go out. So they go, both hands are out. Hands again are in fists. We do that circle, bring it in, and then out again. So you're kind of doing a circle and a half. So your feet come out. We do the circle, bring it in, and end it with your arms out. So we just finished in, with our chest coming in. We bring it out, circle, and a half. So let's go from that same same part where we look to our right and we go in, we go 1, 2, 3, circle, out. Just going over that circle again, hands come out, we bring it out to the sides, we bring it in towards us, and then we end with bringing it out. Okay, whole thing from the top. 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we just finished here. So next part, you're gonna make an X with your arms. So your right hand is gonna be behind and your left hand is gonna be in front. So we're making this X. So now from here, your arms are gonna stay together. They're not gonna break apart. So you're gonna keep those arms together. So as you do that, your right hand is gonna end up in front and your left hand is gonna end up behind. So it's gonna look like this. We keep our arms together, and now we're in this position. So now our right hand is in front and our left hand's behind. So let's go from here. We're just about to do the switch. Don't let those arms get apart. Keep them together. So imagine they're like glued together. They can't go apart. We bring our right hand in front. Now from here, this is where you can release your arms. So going from the X, they're attached together like super glue, and you bring the right hand in front and then release. So trying that a couple times. Keep those arms together, right hand in front, release. Again, right hand's behind. You bring that right hand in front, release. Let's go from the part where we do the first slide. So our right hand's on top, left hand's on the bottom. We slide and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same part again. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, whole thing from the top again. Starting here. 5, 6. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's do it again. Whole thing from the top, and then we'll add a little bit more on. Okay, get yourself ready. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2. Okay, so we just finished with the X. We switch our hands, release. Next part, you're gonna have 2 fingers pointing up. You're gonna have your index finger and your middle finger. Your palm is facing towards you. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring your hand in and then out. So, hand comes in towards you and then away. So again, hand comes in towards you and away. So as you do that, I think you can tell by my body, I'm looking over towards my right as my left arm is out. So I'm looking to my right and my left arm is out. So it looks like this. So again, hand comes in towards you and then out. So just bring your head off to your right. So let's go from this part. Right hand, left hand, slide. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 fingers in, out. Good. So your footwork, your left foot is going to come up towards your right knee. So it looks like, here again, looks like this. I'm going to do it to the side so you guys can see a different angle. So my left foot is by my right knee. So just like this. So trying it with the arms, it goes in, out. So you have to balance there for a couple seconds. So bring it in, out. So as your arm is going out, you lift up your left leg and bring it towards your right knee. So again, in, out. So 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Whole thing from the top. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, then we'll add on 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. from here, you're going to do a full turn going to your left. So your left shoulder is going to go backwards. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your weight on your left foot, and your right foot, as you're turning, is going to be dragging behind your left foot. So it's going to look like this. So your right foot's behind, left foot's in front. So we have our weight on our left foot, and our right's just hanging out behind it. So when you're doing the turn, your arms are just going to brush your hips, and your hands are just going to kind of stay in this position. So it's just kind of like getting yourself to turn. So you're just brushing your hips, and hands are back. And hands are apart, fingers are apart. We brush it back, so it just looks like that. So trying with the turn, we just went from here. Now you're gonna have your weight on your left, and you're gonna turn towards your left. So give it a try, turn, and then you end up facing the front. So if you're not feeling comfortable with doing a turn, that's totally okay. So go from here, and you can just do a couple walks to get yourself to front. And you can also still brush your hips if you want. So going from here, you brush your hips and just do a couple walks to get yourself back to center. So let's go from the X, right hand's behind, left hand's in front. Don't let those arms go. Then release, left hand in, out, turn to front. Okay, we're almost done now, so let's do it from the top. And then we'll add the last bit on, because then we'll be done the dance. All right, get yourself ready. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Almost lost my balance there, but we made it. So next part, last part. You're going to bring, so your left foot is in front, right foot's behind. You're going to bring your right foot out, and you're bending your knees. So again, right foot's behind. You bring your right foot out, bending those knees. You're going to go right, left. So your hands are going to come together. So you're going to go right, left. Bring those hands together. Then you're going to flip your hands. Flip. So now your left hand's on the bottom, your right hand's on top. So it starts out with right hand on bottom, left hand on top. We flip the hands, switch it up. So our left hand's on the bottom. And then you're going to do hip thrust going forward. So it goes right, left, flip, hips. Bring those hips forward and give it a nice push forward. So right, left, flip, hips. Trying that a couple times. Right, left, flip, hips. Again, right, left, flip, hips. So let's go from the part where we're looking off to our right, getting ready for our turn. Starting here. Ready, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. When I'm saying those counts, I don't know if it's the correct counts because we're not starting it from the top, but let's go from that same part where we're looking off to our right, getting ready for our turn. Ready, and full turn, and right, left, flip, hips. So that is the whole TikTok dance. So let's do it a couple times from the top. Here we go. Get your hands ready. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Okay, let's do it one more time. Last time. Give it your all. And 5, 6, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's new video. If you want to see this dance with the music, make sure to check out the link below. And if you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and also be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.